Here's how you can start with Eat That Frog Task Manager. Just start here. Here you can plan your days and weeks. Just create new task, give him a name, give him a date, give him a tag. You need to know that this is the frog, your frog. Alright, you got it. And now just go to the menu, click Do. And now just click that you done your frog for today. And now you can click on tasks for today, and if you have any, just do it. Now your time to celebrate. Here you can see how many frogs did you eat. Look at this. All done. All frogs and different dates.